Hey guys, I made a wall decor and I absolutely love the way this turned out. It's so pretty and it has lighting that adds to the uniqueness of the decor. I am so in love with this wall decor, you guys, and this is similar to a wall mirror that I made some months ago, and the link will be in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and get started. I took a hard poster board and I cut out the shapes that I wanted for the design. Now I'll be taking my hot glue gun and making a leaf pattern. I did a freehand sketch for this, so when you're making yours, just have fun and be careful to not burn yourself. So I did this pattern for the front in the larger pieces, and the smaller pieces I made it front and back. I spray painted them gold, and this is the front and this is the back. So I'm gonna be taking this round circle that I cut out, and that's where I'm gonna be laying out the first set of pieces. As you can see, the back, those are the ones that I did not spray at the back, and they're gonna be laying down flat on the round circle. Now this circle is just to help the pieces stay together while I continue forming the design. I glued on all the pieces together, and this is what the back looks like. And like I said, this is just to hold on the pieces together while I continue forming the design. Now these are the other pieces. As you can see at the back, it's spray painted also at the back. Now I'm going to be forming a slight curve, so I'm just going to be bending the poster board just a little bit, just to give me a slight curve. And I'm going to be doing that for 7 pieces. That's going to be glued on top of the first set of pieces. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. And now for the smaller pieces, I'm just going to be rolling them because I need them to really curve in all the way. So I'm going to be doing that for all of the 7 pieces. That's going to be at the middle. When you're done, it should look like a wristband. How cute. Now when I was done with this, all I started doing was gluing all of the 7 curled pieces at the middle. There's going to be a push light at the middle, so I'm just going to be gluing them kind of close to each other, but then creating space so we can have enough room for the lighting. So this is what it looks like, and then I kept to the side. I'm going to be using 3 push lights for this design, but in a pack it comes 2, but then I use 2 packs, which is 4, but then 3 is what I'm going to be using, and a remote can control all 3. Now if you open it up, these are where you have the batteries placed. Now to give you easy access to open and close, I'm going to be gluing down the beads all around this push lights, but making sure that I still have easy access to open and close where I'm going to be placing the batteries. Now as you can see the line here to give you easy access to open and close. Now I'm going to be gluing down the beautifully decorated push lights at the middle. After I glue down the lighting, you can see that the leaves just curved back, and it's so pretty. Now at the back, you can see that it's so much easier when you have the paper holding all the pieces together. Now I made 3 of these. I kept them aside, and then I took a mirror that I got from Walmart. And then at the back, you can use command strips to hang it, but then I went with hooks. And you have to do this before you glue down the design to the mirror. These are decorative shapes that I got from Michaels, and I will be using this particular one, spray painting it gold, and then using them at the four corners of the design. I added gems also, and then these decorative shapes, I'm going to spray paint them gold also, and then glue them by the side and fill them all around in the middle. And this is what she looks like. It's so pretty, and I love the way the beads inside of the lighting adds an extra shine to it. I also added more gems to the design in the middle. This wall decor not only adds beauty to the wall, but it also adds lighting to the room in a unique style. And this is when you have it when it's all dark. It's so pretty. This decor can be placed anywhere in the home and still make a bold statement. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.